Ladies and gentlemen, today, we gather to revisit a pivotal moment in history, the Battle of Issu, fought on 5th of November 333 BC. Here, a man, Alexander the Great, stood against overwhelming odds, not just with arms, but with a philosophy that has transcended time's Stoicism. Imagine the scene: Alexander and his army, significantly outnumbered, face the vast Persian forces led by Darius III. The location, a narrow plain between the mountains and the sea, where numbers matter less, and strategy and spirit take precedence. In this setting, Alexander uttered words that echo through the "remember upon the conduct of each depends on the fate of all." This sentiment, deeply Stoic in its essence, speaks to the heart of collective responsibility and unity. It reflects the Stoic belief in focusing on what is in our control: our actions, our unity, and our resolve. Stoicism, a philosophy that emphasizes virtue, endurance, and rationality, undoubtedly influenced Alexander. It taught him to remain calm under pressure, to face challenges with a clear mind, and to understand that the strength of the whole was greater than the sum of its parts. As Alexander stood before his men, outnumbered but undaunted, he did not just see soldiers, he saw a unified entity where each individual's action would contribute to the collective fate. This understanding of collective responsibility is a testament to his Stoic influence. The battle that ensued was not just a clash of armies but of ideologies. On one side, the vast, diverse forces of Persia, and on the other, the cohesive, unified Macedonian army under a leader who believed in the shared destiny of his men. The outcome: a decisive victory for Alexander. His army, motivated by a shared sense of purpose and responsibility, fought with unmatched zeal. Darius III, witnessing the unity and ferocity of Alexander's troops, fled the battlefield, leading to a cascading retreat among his soldiers. This victory at Issu was not just a military triumph, it was a validation of the Stoic principles of unity, rationality, and collective responsibility. It demonstrated the power of a leader who could instill a sense of shared destiny among his men. In conclusion, Alexander the Great's victory at Issu stands as a timeless example of the power of Stoic philosophy in leadership. It teaches us that unity, collective responsibility, and the strength of shared destiny can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Thank you.